Afternoon YouTube. I just got my hands on a Kobra 3 with the Ace, not AMS, Ace. But as you can see, I'm a bit short of space and it's a bit messy. So yeah, I don't really have any space here, but I'm going to fix that because I found the best mod for the Anycubic Kobra 3 with the ACE Pro combo. I'll show you in a sec. Right, so you ready for this? The best mod for your Anycubic Kobra 3 with the ACE Pro or ACE Pro. So you can mount your ACE Pro on top of your printer. It's obviously 3D printed. Makes it a bit neater. Takes a little bit less space and you haven't got to have it here. I expect I will move this one to here and this one to here. Yeah, I'll maybe shorten these Bowden tubes a bit because they're a bit long. But other than that, yeah. Takes a while to print, but it's well worth it. I'll put the link in the description. It's by Darren 3D Print on Maker Online. So you'll be able to download that. Donate to him if you want. But yeah, it's taken me 15 hours to print, maybe a bit more. Had a few issues like these. I printed on the K1C, so they have cracked a little bit because tolerances and things. They just screwed in at the bottom down there, if you can see. And it's pretty solid apart from the printer wobbling, so I'll move it probably there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Check out Darren 3D's overhead mount for the Kobra 3. And like, comment, subscribe, call me a cock.